Realme Narzo 20, Realme Narzo 20 Pro and Realme Narzo 20A smartphones are all set to be launched in India on September 21st. The three phones are the successors of the Realme Narzo 10 series that was launched earlier this year. The company introduced a new Narzo range in March, and the launch event saw several delays due to the pandemic. The Realme Narzo 10 series includes the Realme Narzo 10 and Realme Narzo 10A phones. However, Realme Narzo 20 series will include three phones, as mentioned earlier. The company has sent out launch invites for the Realme Narzo 20, Realme Narzo 20A, and Realme Narzo 20 Pro phones on September 21st. The digital launch event is set to begin at 12:30 p.m. The event will be live streamed on Realme's social media platforms including Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. The invite reveals little about the three upcoming Realme handsets. All of the three Realme phones are said to run on Realme UI 2.0, based on Android 11. Realme says that it will be one of the first manufacturers to adapt to the latest Android 11 software. Furthermore, all of these phones are teased to come with best-in-class segment gaming processor and trend-setting design. Past leaks suggest that the Realme Narzo 20 may come in 4GB plus 64GB, as well as 4GB plus 128GB storage variants. The Realme Narzo 20A, on the other hand, is likely to come in 3GB plus 32GB and a 4GB plus 64GB storage variants. Both the models are tipped to come in the same Glory Silver and Victory Blue color versions. Realme Narzo 20 Pro is expected to feature 6GB plus 64GB and 8GB plus 128GB storage options. The Realme Narzo 20 Pro is rumored to come in Black Ninja and White Knight shades. So these are specifications expected in Realme phones. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow Gadget Daily on Instagram, Facebook, and for the latest videos on gadgets and tech, subscribe to our YouTube channel.